Rosie. You saved some of the tender engines. Decided to say heavy was the Scott when you come here. It was a tender not on of the infestation. Tell me why it's got tooth before that. Do you know why? Oh, you were like the same thing I said before like that. I say about when I was back. But not all that time. Definitely, he was like, well, I'm the same fast in the world. You be honest with that. Not true. Does this mean, or you actually have to re-tender for yourself there, Rosie? Well, is that it? Do you have tender of yourself? Well, I actually have, but did I say something wrong, Rosie? Well, I just had an accident a few years ago. I used to tender. You really used to, that would have been pissed off myself and Rosie. Well, how can you? Normally, I got a tender there, Rosie. Well, the reason I want to be a tender agent is if I tender, but I actually don't know how to do it, so I got control an accent, so I really hate tenders now. And for bigger here, and I can pour tenders carefully. Did you see that? I actually also know I breathe at the moment there, Rosie. Me too, there, Faisal. Me too. But anyway, let's not get bold on which should absolutely worry about it, and I think I'm happy for you, Rosie. Thanks, Faisal. You're the best. I betrayed you, Rosie.